Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP team. I am Sanjay. We are learning Node.js package development tutorial for beginners. This is our part 3. Inside this video session guys, we will see that how can we install and run our first published package. So if I back to npmjs.com, in the last two videos, that is part 1 and the part 2, this is the package what we have installed and actually published inside this repository. Now we are going to install this package inside Node.js application, and also we had created our readme file which guides us, that is how can we proceed with this package. So if I back to folder structure, now inside this folder let's create a blank Node.js setup. So let's say Node.js, and if I copy the path of this folder back to terminal and go inside this folder, so right now we are inside it. We are ready to create our package.json file. So npm init -y to automatically generate the default package.json file, and successfully we had created that. So if I press ls, and this is listing of files, and we have now the first file inside that. So if we want to use our npm package what we have published, so simply we need to copy this command, go here and let's say npm install, and this is our package. Now if I'm pressing enter, now as we can see that it is now processing and installing this package inside our Node.js application, and successfully we have installed that. So let's open our Node.js folder inside our Visual Studio Code. So open package.json file, and here as we can see that we have now successfully installed about the first package, that is npmjs-hello-world and owthub. It means that successfully now we have installed that. So if we create a new file inside this folder and let's say that index.js, so how can we use? Remember, we have also provided few steps to use this package. So if I copy this command, pasting it here, so successfully now we have required or what we have inside node modules, and inside this node modules we have our first folder, that is of our package name. So if I back to folder structure, go inside Node.js node modules, and this is our folder. So we are just requiring inside our index.js file, and if we want to call or simply let's say console.log. Now if we want to see about all the exported functions what basically available inside this package, so simply hello world, back to terminal, let's say node index.js, pressing enter. Now we have two functions available called print console message and print custom console message. So if I copy the first function what we are going to use, so copy back to our Visual Code, and I am making just comment line. So let's say that hello world dot print console message, and remember inside this function we had basically returned about our custom message what we had defined inside index.json file. So back to terminal, clear out, let's note, and here we need to provide the argument something the file name called index.js, pressing enter. Now this is first console message. Now if we want to run our second method, that is print custom console message, so copy this function, back to Visual Code, and let's say that hello world, and remember inside this we have to provide a message variable. So let's say that welcome to online web tutor first published package. Now if we save all these changes, back to terminal, Run this command. Now this is about our printing default console message, and here is the message what we have defined inside the function. So successfully guys, we have seen that how can we publish and install this package to any Node.js application and uses these provided functions. So inside next videos, we will see that if we want to create some more advanced package with dependencies of more packages, so how can we create that? So inside this video session guys, if you have any doubt, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.